Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to take a look at Theta network and do some price analysis, have a look at some potential areas that you could invest and then some targets going forward. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. Let's get cracking, and we will start off on CoinMarketCap and run over some of the key statistics first, and then we'll do some price analysis after that and have a look at some key levels that we can target. So, Theta network is currently ranked number 18 out of all cryptocurrencies. The last 6 months has been on a monumental rise. Just looking at that chart, we was flatlining for a long time, and bang, we've made a significant move up, but we'll look at on the charts in a second. So we have a total circulation and a circulating supply of 1 billion tokens. All of those are in circulation. It does say that we have a coin price today of $4.11. We are slightly down, 4% down on today's trading. Market cap just over $4.1 billion. If you do not hold any Theta, and you think, right, I'm looking to get hold of some, I do like what this project is doing, then you can easily get hold of it. It is on Binance, the main exchange there. I mean, if you're not on Binance, I do recommend that you get yourself on it. We'll find a link in the pinned comment in the description, but Binance is getting a fair old chunk. You're talking 30, 40, probably around 40% of the entire market volume across different pairs getting traded on Binance. And then we are on different exchanges like Qcoin, Bitform, Huobi. A lot of exchanges which are high in confidence. That's what you're looking for. You don't want any in the low, because you know they will be bad to use. One key point is the all-time highs. Scrolling down here, we did it $4.72. Slightly down from that, 13% down from them highs, which was 12 hours ago. It has been on a massive rise, so we need to have a look at that on the charts and see what it's saying, and have a look at some areas that we could invest. So the last time I did some price analysis, I had a target of around $2, which was around here. Absolutely smashed through that, and it's been a few months since I did do a video, so it's definitely time to readdress the price action on this, as we are creating new all-time highs. And that's what we will mark up first using the horizontal line. We just put that on top of there, we'll mark it up as all-time highs, and that will pretty much give us the next target to go for. What I want to do first up is just put a bit of a bearish scenario on this and have a look at some potential areas that we could invest, and I might just drop down into a 4-hour time frame for this. Yeah, we'll use this level here. So if you just look at the MACD there, we are just starting to tick a little bit bearish. So that just to me confirm that we might get a tick down, which is good if you're looking to invest at some lower levels. So what we'll use is a fib retracement. You could say that this bottom here was a beginning move. We popped up, we came back down, and then we did create a new bottom here. So we will put the Fibonacci on from the bottom of the move here to the top of the move, which is the all-time highs. And we are now starting to retrace. You would expect if the MACD is starting to just tick bearish there, you can see we have a bearish cross 2 on the RSI line. So things are looking like they're going to pop down. The RSI was pretty much well overbought. So we are starting to come down, and we may come back down to around mid-range between 50 to 40% on the RSI 14 up there. So we are starting to come down. We've pretty much done a 38% retracement. And that is the area I usually look for to potentially place orders if a project has done quite a significant drive up. That is around $4 on the nose. $4 will be natural resistance. A lot of people will be looking at this and thinking, right, it's been up to $4.70. I would happily buy at $4. So we may not come back through this, but it could also be a nice area to fill up. If we do get some big sell-offs, then I usually target the 618 level for buys. I mean, there's a good chance that that could come in if the market does allow. So we'll just put that there on the 618. So we've got two potential buy levels there. We've got $3 at 53 and at $4, $3.99ish there. So it's around $4. So they are two potential levels to buy in. Like I say, MACD got a bearish cross here, and it looks like the histogram is going to continue in this this downward spiral. I mean, we may not drop much further. We could come down to this level and consolidate and then push back up before we go to all-time high. So if we just take a quick look at the MACD on the hour and the daily, as you can see, that is bullish as well. We have a bullish cross there, so that to me signifies that we could start pushing up again, but we, like I say, we might consolidate for a while. So that is two potential buy zones there. targets to look at, first target to go for is pretty much breaking through all-time highs at $4.73. And then the next target after that to look at is looking at these fib extensions. I think $5 is a natural psychological area, which is one that I would pretty much look at targeting first. So we could mark that up as well. So we'll put $5 on there. I mean, from current prices up to $5, you would not expect it to be much. So we'll just look at price range from this 382 level up to, we're talking 24% up to $5. So that is easily achievable. Then we can look at start targeting these fib extensions. What I'm going to do is just put the fib on the opposite way around. So from, I don't know, let's take it from the top of the move down towards the start of that move there. You could say that was the beginning. Then we can start looking at some of these fib extensions and have a look where to go. Naturally, we have a 2.618 up at around $10. So that to me, I think once we do start pushing up towards $10, that will give me a good area to pretty much look at redoing some more price analysis. This will happen. I do believe that we will at $10 in the course of the next 6 to 8 weeks, as long as this bullish momentum continues. The entire crypto market is bullish, so everything's looking good, so there's nothing to say that we can't start pushing up there. But we just need to remember, once we're at around $10, the market cap will be double, so you're talking at around an $8 billion market cap there from current prices. So that is some potential buy zones, and then a couple of targets. First, we have $5, a main one to get through, and then we can start pushing up and looking at some of these fib extensions at 560, 672, and then we have an ultimate target of $10 before we do some further price analysis. So that is the USDT pair. Some people do trade in BTC, so let's just take a quick look at that. I'm taking it that as the all-time high line there at, it's around 10,000 satoshis. Yes, it is. So that's the all-time high there. Again, we'll just drop into 4-hour time frame and put a little bit of a bearish scenario on this. So let's put the fib on, and we'll take it from, shall we go for the entire move first? Let's see what that looks like. No, we won't do that. We'll take it from this current move here. So that is a move there from the 3rd of March up to the all-time highs at 10,000 satoshis. We have done a 50% retracement to the T. Let me just have a look what BTC is doing, 47k. Usually, if BTC does start pushing up, inevitably it does take a bit of price action out of the BTC pairs. So if we do get a push up towards 50k, you pretty much could look at targeting some buy orders down at 8,248 sats. I think that could be a nice level to top up. If we just take a look as well at the MACD on the 4-hour, that is ready to flip bearish. I mean, we're very, very close to getting a bearish cross there. So things may start to come down. We have been bullish pretty much since the beginning of March. So it has been doing well. But like you say, you're always going to get people selling off and taking profits at some point. So looking to buy, then I think around 8,248 satoshis will be a nice level to target for buys. With regard to price targets, I mean, we kind of look at these negative Fibonacci extensions. So we have 10,788 sats and 11,784 sats. Could be two good areas. If you're looking to accumulate more, there could be some nice levels to sell. Might even get a sell order here, and then it might take us back to previous all-time highs before we take the next leg up. So that is some price analysis on the BTC and the USDT pairs. Let me just have a look as well at T-Fuel. I know T-Fuel has been doing very well, same as Theta. Let's just put a quick fib on this and have a look at some potential areas you could invest. So if we just bang a quick fib on from the bottom of the move here at 23rd of Feb, which is quite a significant time back, up to the top of the move, we are starting to reject now. So you could look at potentially filling orders down at 12 cents, or even better, down at 10 cents. But like I say, we may not get down there, but we do know that crypto is very, very volatile. So we might get some quick wicks down there. So that's just a few entry levels on T-Fuel there for you. So that is going to do it for today's video. That is some price analysis on Theta in a USDT and a BTC pairing, and a little couple of entry points here on T-Fuel. So that's going to do it for today's video. Please make sure that if you are not already, that you are subscribed to my channel. Please make sure you do like this video, and I'll catch you next time.